In this tutorial, we are going to explain the Review tab of Word. The Review tab of Word may not be something relevant for you, but it has a lot of options that can help you while using it. Let's start.
The Review tab is divided in 10 different options: Review, Voice, Accessibility, Language, Comments, Tracking, Changes, Compare, Protect, and Pencil Input. All these options are also divided in different ones, and we are going to explain all of them.
Let's start with a review group. In this group, we can find Review Document. It points out the words or sentences that are misspelled and gives you options to correct it. Synonyms is the next option, and it gives you options of synonymous words to which you pointed. By last, in the review group, we can find the option of count words. It tells you how many words, pages, characters, in with and without space, paragraphs, and lines are in the document.
The next group is called Voice. So just on the newest version of Word, this has an option called Read Aloud. And as you can imagine, this option helps you to read aloud your document. This group is followed by the one of Accessibility. This helps you to make more accessible your document. And if you have problems or questions, the answer is here.
By its side, we can find the group of Languages. This is divided in two sections. The first one is Translate. This option has two different options to perform its function. The one is to translate the entire document into a new document. You have to select a part of a document, and this is going to be translated into the same Word document. This is another option. The second section is Language. Here we can select the language that we want the document spell checker to read it.
In the Comments group, you can have the options of New Comment. Here, we can create a note in the document. Then, we have Remove. This option gives you 3 ways so you can delete the comment you create, which are delete all comments displayed, and delete all comments in the document, followed by Previous. It sends you to the previous comment in the document. After this option, there is Following. It sends you to the next comment in the document. And at the end, there is Show Comments that shows or hides all the comments in the document.
In the Tracking group, it shows you the options of change control that allows you to review the changes made in the document. Show for review. Let you see how you want to see the changes in the document. Shows marks allow you to show what type of changes you are making to the document, and Review panel shows you all the changes you have made in the document.
In the Change group, there are the options called To Accept that accept the change you made to the document. Also, the option To Refuse that discards the change you made to the document. Then, the option To Previous that shows you the previous change made in the document. And the following option, it shows you the next change made in the document.
The Compare group has just one option called Compare. In this section, it gives you 2 options. One of them is to compare 2 documents, and the other one is to combine 2 documents.
In the Protect group are the options for blocked authors. This option avoids other uses to change things in your document by selecting a part of it. The Restrict Edition allows you to decide if you want to limit the format or the addition to the document.
At the end, but not less important, we have Pencil Input, but this option is also available in the newest version of Word. This is divided in Start Pencil Input that allows you to draw or write by hand or with a marker, and Hide Pencil Input. This option helps you to hide the draws you did in your document without deleting them. You can show them again by clicking over.
As you can see, Review has a lot of options that can help you to improve your notes or writing. This special section called Review is something that not all people use, and you may not have idea of what was selected. But now that you know, your documents will be better.
Thank you.
As you can see, the Review tab of Word is very useful when you already know what are the options for. The options that, in my personal point of view, are the most useful are Compare documents and translate all the text or just a selected part. Now that you know how to use this, it's your turn to explore and improve your documents. Do it!